18 November, this incident was happened of gas explosion and two women were died. So in this connection, first preliminary stage we had registered the unnatural death case, and one inquiry was with us, and one Shivani Rajawat's inquiry was with SDM, since it was within 7 years of marriage. So after conducting the inquiry by the SDM has submitted report to us directing to conduct the investigation on circumstantial evidences and to register the FIR if required. So after going to the report of the SDM, we found that there are some allegations of dowry death in the death of the Shivani Rajawat. So in this regard, we had registered the crime under section 304B against the husband Anurag Singh Rajawat, and our investigation was in progress. Side by side, we were conducting the investigation of unnatural death case of her mother, Jaidevi Chauhan, and after conducting the inquiry in UD and this crime, yesterday we added section 302 in the crime, read with 34 IPC, and we made also the mother of the accused, that is Anurag Singh Rajawat's mother, we included as the accused in the crime of under section 304B. So presently we arrested yesterday the accused Anurag Singh Rajawat and kept in custody for the further interrogation. So previously also we had called here for the investigation, but since he was not cooperating with the investigation, yesterday we arrested him and kept in custody. So now we will conduct the further investigation of the case.
So has it been taken for a remand?
Today we will produce him before the JMFC and we will take the remand.